it's your girl Emma Victoria, back with another freaking video. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. If you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So today's video is going to be really quick. It's going to be a ponytail tutorial, as you can tell by the title. I came across this ponytail in the beauty supply store. This is not fresh out the pack. I still have the pack to show you guys, but this is not my first time doing it. This is like my third time doing it, and I decided to record this time, and it is synthetic, you guys, so keep that in mind. Like, this is not something you're gonna be wearing every day. This is not something that you're gonna be wearing, you know, you come home and you take that bitch off, okay? Can't sleep in it. It does shed, it does tangle. I mean, it's synthetic. It's just a quick hair routine for like you going out real quick, or just a nice evening out, something like that. So this is what it came in. It's the ModelModel Drawstring Ponytail. I got a number 2. This is what she looks like here. I think she still looks pretty good to have been worn a few times. Like, she's got body, you guys. Like, she moves. I like it. So it does come with a comb at the top. There's the drawstring. Then there's this comb at the bottom. I actually should cut this out. Yeah, I've been wearing it with the tag in there, but I guess it doesn't really matter. The mirror is over here, so I'm kind of gonna be looking this way. But so now I'm just gonna brush her up into a high pony to my liking, just however high I want it. I'm just gonna brush my hair up. So this first ponytail that I'm doing, it doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna go back and do another ponytail. It's just a base to get your hair up kind of in the position that you want your ponytail. So do like scoop in here, and just kind of put it on there just like that, honey. Nothing more, nothing less. Now we're just gonna redo our ponytail. Just slick it up into the ponytail. So now this ponytail needs to be damn near perfect, boo, okay? And now what you're going to do is simply twist it as tight as you can to make a ball on the top of your head. So I have learned that the tighter and smaller you can get it, the better, but I have a lot of thick hair, so we'll see how small I can get it this time. I grab the top comb and I just kind of bring it around, and it's gonna stick right underneath that knot. Okay, so here's the drawstring. You're just gonna tighten it up all the way to the base, so she ain't going nowhere. And what I do is I just kind of tuck the drawstring underneath. So next thing I'm gonna do is grab a piece from the back and wrap it around the base to cover any blemishes Okay, so yeah, I usually wear my ponytail to the side like this. You can wear it back. This is like a 10-minute hairstyle. You can do this in 10 minutes with your $20. I don't think I said that. This ponytail only costs $20. Okay, so it's $20 drawstring ponytail. And y'all, I really don't know how to do my edges, so don't talk about me. I just started doing this like in the past couple of weeks, so I just try my best. If you have another suggestion of what I should use to like mold my edges besides this, comment below. So I tried to do my edges, yes, but I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, so don't talk about me. So here we are, you guys. This is the finished look.
JT, ayy, real bitches fuck with me, ayy, I don't do shit for the free, man, y'all niggas gotta pay me, ayy, I ain't worried about you.